Today we are going to play a word game. All you need is a paper with alphabets written and a few things and the words of those things hidden in those paper.
Hello friends, let's get started. Cup.
Okay, where is cup? What is this?
Egg.
Okay, what is the spelling?
E-G-G, egg.
Find it. What? TWO. What is that?
Two.
Then where is 2? Okay, fine. What is that?
Milk.
What is the spelling?
M-I-L-K.
Okay. What is that?
Apple.
What is the spelling?
A-P-P-L-E.
Very good. Okay, what is the spelling of book?
B-O-O-K.
Very good. Now find it. You couldn't find? You couldn't find? Then go this way. Go this way. If you can't find this horizontal, go vertical. Okay. What is the spelling of box?
B-O-B-O-X.
Very good. What's that? Okay. What's the spelling?
B-E-L-L.
Okay, find it. What is the spelling?
E-O-Y.
Okay. Fan spelling? Okay, go. It's not remote. What is the spelling? Remote. Very good. Go.